Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the shape of picture in Canva. It's quite simple, all you have to do is follow along. So first thing first, let's choose a picture that you want to change the shape of. Let's say I'm going to choose this picture over here. So all you have to do is go to the elements option over here and choose any of the frames. So let's say I'm going to make it into more like heart shape. All right, let's do that heart, and let's do it again. Let's do that heart. Heart, and here you can go to the frames. There are different frames. Let's choose this one over here, and all you have to do is simply drag this picture and put it over here. Suppose, and this is how you change the shape of the picture. Suppose you want to change it into different shape. Let's say or cylinder or like oval. Let's try oval frame. So make sure that you have clicked in one of the frame options, not the graphics one. So let's choose oval over here. And again, let's go to a different picture. Let's drag the picture and put it in here. So this is how you change the shape of the picture in different shapes and sizes. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.